Hello friends, good morning. How are you? I hope everyone is doing great. And today guys, my plan is to plant my garlics, and I hope I can plant them today because today is Sunday and that's the only time I have that's the only time I have to plant my garlics. And also I bought some flowers. This kind of flower is hardy and it's for winter, and I also want to plant these ones outside guys to beautify the place or the garden. So I'm going to select all the heads of garlics. All right, so I mixed these ones guys. These are my onions and these are the garlics that I bought. And also I will show you the garlics that's left from the previous harvest. This is the garlics left from the summer's harvest. So as you can see that we are really using it, and I didn't cut the stems yet, and my plan is also to cut the stems so I can store the garlics easily. And these are the garlics that we are going to plant guys. Yes, so oh my gosh, look, the onions started to sprout, so we are going to use these ones first. Yeah, and yeah, we are going to do like this and choose, as I've said, and choose the big clove, and that's what we are going to plant. Alright guys, so we are going to clean this side and we are going to plant our garlics here. I think I'm going to cut, or I will leave the okras here, and let's see, but they're not giving any fruit, so maybe I will cut them. Alright guys, so look at this. I started to clean here already, and ta-da, much better, huh? Now we can see better our leeks and also our celeries. Can you see the celeries? They are so beautiful. They're growing really nicely. And these are our cauliflowers. I don't see any florets yet, so we have to wait. And our broccolis, there are florets. They're growing, and one here, it's quite big. I am so happy guys, because this is my second attempt to grow broccolis, and this time it is a success because we managed to plant in here. Because last year I planted in the front garden, and our animals, especially Jupiter, our athletic goat, she devoured all my broccolis, my cauliflowers guys, and also what else, some of the cabbages. But I think most of my cabbages she devoured last year, so I was so upset. And I said to my husband, I hope I can plant next year. So this is the year, and I am so happy because finally I could grow a beautiful nice florets of my kids' favorite, which is the broccoli guys. So yeah, the time now guys, it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I didn't plant here because that's the plan, you know guys, right? That's the plan, that we are going to plant the garlics. But the thing is, the soil is really soft, and if I dig the soil, I think it's going to become so hard, it become dry. That's why guys, my husband said that maybe I have to wait a little bit more because it's muddy, quite muddy, so soft. Much better to wait a little bit. Maybe I have to wait for 2 days. Yeah, I hope there is no rain because we are having a lot of rain these weeks, and yeah, we want a little sunshine. That's why guys, I hope. As you can see, our plants are so beautiful and so big, and we have a lot of work in here as well to remove or to weed guys, because as you can see, look, it is really so wild, and it is really wild, full of grass and weeds. So we are going to harvest some lettuce for lunch. Yes, Haley is so hungry. Look Haley, we have another squash here. You didn't see, huh? Yeah, so I will harvest some leaves. I have a few leaves left inside the house, so I will harvest just few leaves guys, just to add to the rest. Oh, I so love it. Wow, hear it. Oh, delicious. Oh, nice. Can you help me, Haley? Take this, darling. Yeah, let's go eat. Okay, so this one guys, I want a little bit more. I asked Haley to come and help me, but she's not listening. Oh, nice. And there's a butterfly there. I think it's a moth eating. So yum, huh? Just rinse and voila, delicious salad. Let's go, Haley. Come, let's go, girl. And maybe we will come back again later, because we have to collect all those. Haley helped me to harvest the rest of the butternut squash, and then I'm going to cut all of those Tabasco chilies there as well. Haley, let's go. Can you see the grass really enjoying how fertile the soil is. And look, so yummy. Yeah, so our garlics will be planted here.